Alright, this is the elevator at Safeway in Noriega. Very interesting fixture. This is, I think this is monitor. Formerly Montgomery.
Sometime today would
I
be
thought-
nice.
YouTube search Dr. Scott. Okay, I'll search it up tonight. Big cab. You can see the old Montgomery vents down there. We'll do one more ride.
I wonder what these fixtures are.
Yeah. I think they're monitor.
They look like those BART elevators.
State ID right here.
They're well past their inspection.
Wow, 2007's amazing. Alright,
Almost 20 years.
that'll be it.